In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a URL redirect mapping in Website Tools. We're going to walk through the exact process of creating a redirect inside the URL mapping section. And I'll also point out a couple of important formatting details so everything works correctly the first time. To begin, open Chrome and go to your website's management area. From there, navigate to Website Tools and then select URL Mappings. This is the section where you can create redirects from one page path to another, which is especially useful if a page has moved, a URL has changed, or you want visitors and search engines to be automatically sent to the correct location. Once you're on the URL mappings page, click into the main configurations text area, which is the large canvas style text box where the mapping rules are entered. This is where you'll type the redirect exactly as needed. Now enter your redirect mapping using this format /old URL slug space dash greater than symbol space / new URL slug space 301. The spacing here matters, so make sure there is one space on each side of the arrow symbol. A correct example would look like this: /old URL slug space arrow space / new URL slug space 301. The first path is the original URL that you want to redirect from. The second path is the destination URL you want people to land on. The 301 at the end tells the system this is a permanent redirect, which is typically the right choice when a page has permanently moved. If the formatting is off, even by a small detail, like a missing space, the redirect may not work as expected, so it's worth taking a moment to double check what you entered before moving on. After you've typed in the mapping exactly in the required format, click Save. This applies the redirect rule and stores the change in the system. That's it. Once saved, your URL mapping should be in place. As a quick best practice, make sure the old and new paths are typed carefully and match the intended pages exactly. Keeping your redirects clean and properly formatted helps avoid broken links and creates a smoother experience for visitors. Thanks for watching, and that's how to add a URL redirect mapping in Website Tools.